Here's a 60-second video marketing tip to help give your 2022 a little jumpstart. Be the expert that you are. Answer frequently asked questions. Share some tips. People are online looking for answers, so provide those answers. Make a video that answers questions and you'll get noticed, you'll get found, and you'll establish yourself as an expert who's helpful to people who might be looking for a helpful expert. Think of the questions you hear from clients most often and then type those into a Google search bar, then use those as your title. Once you have the headline or title, then just go to town, give a great answer, and let people know what to do next, a call to action. You can turn those answers to questions into expert tips videos. Just here's how to blank, do this thing. That's what people are searching for. All you gotta do is smile at the camera and then think of one person that you're talking to. It just is a natural conversation with a camera. The thing is, we all like to do business with the expert, especially when it's a local, helpful expert that we need. In business, this is the year for video. This is your year for video. Would you like some support? Learn about our 21-day video marketing jumpstart. Just go to socialjumpstart.com/join. And I'll see you next time.